Well, I'd like to use the designs that you see here to illustrate that gCADPlus can be used on large-scale projects. So let's look at them in turn. And I'll pick this one here at the top right, and we'll maximize it. And we've jumped into the design. If I pan down a little, this is an environmentally sensitive site where there's some low-lying swamp. So we've produced here a management plan. We can go to a landscape plan, and if we zoom out, you can see the new entrance and development. It's a master plan for development of that site and includes a very detailed plant schedule and tree protection, tree removal and irrigation system detail, including a large plant schedule, and it's used the plant schedule tool in gCADPlus to total up the number of species, plants that are required. Well, here's another typical example of a gCADPlus being used on a much larger scale. There's some information about a wildlife corridor planting, which will run through this site, and off to the left, there's a wetland here to treat runoff from the site and other design information, outdoor chessboard and summer house and so on. So it's gCADPlus is being used in a sense for working with a plan for a very large private garden area. Well, here we're looking at a much larger site. If we take our measurement tool and measure from one side of the site as we're looking at it, 750 meters across. If I zoom in, this is for a foreshore area, and if we click on individual polylines running through here, that polyline is on the layer major contours, and we'll have some minor contours as well. There's still the major contour. One of these may well be a minor contour. There's a minor contour. So very large. There's a jetty stretching out from this coastline. And here we've used one of the tools in gCADPlus to load a very big file from the so-called gCAD JPEG 2000 file. This file is 8 or 10 megabytes in size, and you can see the incredible detail in it, but it loads in the twinkling of an eye. So gCADPlus that can work on very small sites and on very large sites. So I hope you can see it's a versatile tool.